Uniswap could retreat 0.8% tomorrow, according to CoinLore. But before we move on, here's what's going on right now. As of now, Uniswap has increased by 0.1% in the last 24 hours and is hovering near $4. Next up, the analysts' perspectives. Based on Traders Union's outlook, the asset could move toward $4.018 by August 9, an increase of about 0.5%. CoinCodex anticipates Uniswap could touch $4.012, marking a rise close to 0.3%. CoinLore notes it may head downward toward $3.97, around 0.8% lower. A separate projection by 30 Rates highlights Uniswap could fall to $3.945, an expected decrease of approximately 1.4%. We've reviewed 5 views. Let's move forward. Let's move forward from the outlooks to the quantitative part. Based on all the market predictions reviewed here, the price could vary anywhere between a decrease of 1.4% and an increase of 0.5%, depending on the analyst. Based on these forecasts, 30 Rates stands in first place with 1.4% gain in value by tomorrow. Ultimately, you could collect between $3 and $14 for every $1,000 you invest. When it comes to probabilities, CoinCodex's forecast is the most reliable, with a 94.9% chance of success. By bringing all the forecasts together, I've created a single consensus overview. The combined forecasts position Uniswap at nearly $3.986. Okay, let's open up the details. The consensus scenario highlights a 0.3% drop under today's conditions. That outcome means your capital might grow by around 0.3% as well. If you put in $1,000, the move might result in around $3 gained, which adds up to a probability of about 94.9% for the consensus forecast to hold true. Right here, let's look at the expected price movement across the next 3 days, according to analysts. Traders Union signals a steady decline. A drop is similarly expected by CoinCodex, reinforcing the downside view. CoinLore anticipates little change from current levels. 30 Rates anticipates Uniswap following a bullish course. Consensus projections point to a weaker market for Uniswap over the next 3 days. At the end of the day, 50% of analysts lean bearish on Uniswap. 2 days ago, 4 forecasts went live. Now it's time for a quick review. As a result, the session closed at $3.981. 3 out of 4 matched the actual trend. If we judge by accuracy, CoinLore had the strongest forecast. Time to check the outcome in detail. 2 predictions matched the span of the daily candle. When it comes to ROI, a few positive results appeared. The best one came from CoinPrice forecast with 2.6%. Here's the recap. All outcomes combined into one table. In the final stats, CoinDataFlow posted 0.2% ROI and $0.071 accuracy. See who managed to anticipate the move best. Now we'll see how Uniswap stands in tomorrow's expected returns compared with a few others. In the profitability overview, Uniswap holds 4th place, and Chronos forecasts 2.7%. This section includes Uniswap and 4 random cryptocurrencies. The extended performance view is now on my website. If you liked how I reviewed different analysts together, hit like and subscribe to follow the next comparison. Catch you later!